Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer from Coinbase to Kucoin. We'll cover the essential steps to move your digital assets securely and efficiently. This guide will help you navigate the process, ensuring your funds reach their destination without a hitch. We'll start by preparing your Coinbase account for withdrawal, then move on to generating a deposit address on Kucoin, and finally, confirming the transaction. Let's get started with the first crucial step. To begin, open your Coinbase account and navigate to your portfolio. Choose the specific cryptocurrency you intend to transfer, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Look for the Send or Withdraw button, usually found within the Assets Details page. You'll then need to input the destination wallet address, which you'll obtain from Kucoin, and specify the exact amount you wish to send. Always double-check the address and amount before proceeding to the next step. Now switch over to your Kucoin account. Once logged in, find the deposit option, typically located in your main assets or wallet section. It's absolutely critical to select the exact same cryptocurrency you are sending from Coinbase. For instance, if you're sending Ethereum, choose Ethereum on Kucoin. This will generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully. Even one incorrect character can lead to lost funds, so a triple check is highly recommended. With the Kucoin deposit address copied, return to Coinbase and paste it into the designated recipient address field. Carefully review all the transaction details one final time, including the amount, the asset type, and any associated network fees. You will likely need to complete a security verification, such as entering a two-factor authentication code. Once confirmed, the transfer will be initiated. Transaction times can vary, typically from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the network congestion and the specific cryptocurrency.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.